Welcome everyone. This is my first YouTube video. I'm so excited. Today I decided to go with the apple crisp cupcake. Now I know this is gonna have a lot of parts to it. It's probably like 3 or 4 parts to making this, but I promise you in the end you're gonna have that apple pie feeling combined in a cupcake form to create something so delicious for the fall. So just keep watching. I'm gonna get right into the ingredients. Stay tuned.
All right, so we're gonna do the apple filling with 3.5 cups of apples, 2 tablespoons of water with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half a cup of brown sugar, and you have your spices, which are the nutmeg, cinnamon, cornstarch, and salt. All right, guys, so I'm adding everything into the saucepan right now. And I wanted you guys to know one thing to keep in mind when doing this step is to constantly stir because it can caramelize and get hard at the bottom of your saucepan and you will never be able to get that off. Well, I mean, you probably can, but it's going to take a long time and nobody has time for that. All right, guys, it's going to start turning golden brown, and that is what we're looking for. It usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes, so keep a lookout and remember to keep stirring. Once it's all done, all you're going to do is get a container and let it chill, and that's when it's going to turn into the filling that you're looking for. Okay, we are moving on to the cupcake portion of this recipe. All right, so I'm going to start by creaming in my butter and my sugar. Make sure before moving to your eggs, the texture of your sugar and your butter feels more like sandpaper. And you're going to add in your eggs one by one. When you're mixing your eggs, it's not going to look right, but I promise you it's all going to come together. Um After you finish your last egg, you're going to sift in your dry ingredients, which is your all-purpose flour, your baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And top it all off with your milk and vanilla. Every once in a while, I like to scrape the bottom of the bowl just to make sure everything is getting mixed evenly. So, yeah, you're going to see that happen a few times during this process. See, I would never lead you astray. It's all coming together now. Right now I'm gonna let it mix for a couple more minutes, and then I should be done with this. I'm gonna put it in its tins and pop it in the oven for 19 minutes, and it'll be good to go. All right, the cinnamon cream cheese frosting is basically a half cup of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 cups of sifted sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon, and that was it.
All right, guys. Now we have the cupcakes, the buttercream, the filling, the crumble. Now all we gotta do is put it all together and we'll be good to go.
So I ended up using the apple core to remove the center of the cupcakes and filling it with the apple cinnamon filling. And I topped it with the cinnamon buttercream. I kind of ran out, so I had to get some more because I have small bags. Then I filled it with a little bit more filling at the top and topped it off with some crumble. And this is the end result, guys, the apple cinnamon crumble cupcakes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.